In Fiwi culture, Carlene Davis shares the backstory behind her 1991 international hit, Dial My Number, which dialed her straight to the top.
You don't need a reason, any old season will be fine. You can dial my number.
It was a huge hit in Jamaica first. What was it that inspired Dial My Number at the time?
Tommy got a call from Mikey Bennett, and he says, man, I have this song, I'm writing this song, and we'd like to see if Carlene would be interested. And of course, we got together, we went to the studio while they were still putting the lyrics together and, you know, perfecting the rhythm. And I think I did a little demo of it before they completed the writing of the song. And I went home and I was getting ready to go on tour. And Mikey says, well, you need to come and, you know, give us another take of the song. So I went to the studio to do another take, left for tour. And while Tommy and I are on tour, we get a call from somebody in Jamaica and said, man, your song is mashing up the place. And I said, mashing up? Which song? He says, Dial My Number. I said, but I haven't finished voicing the song yet. That was just almost like a demo, a better demo of when I first, you know, sat with them. And it just took off.
Were you surprised at the success of Dial My Number?
Of course, because for me, I hadn't finished singing the song yet. I hadn't finished living the song yet to record it. But whatever Mikey heard, he said, no, Carlene, it's done. It's finished. We're ready. It's rolling.
Any old time. No, you don't need a reason. Any old season will be fine.
Interesting song. You know, the beat was just very catchy and danceable, and everyone was swinging to that sound at the time. So, you know, it was almost like on time. It was an on-time song. Once we did the original, which took off in the diaspora, and we went into to get it ready now for the album, there were 5 versions that were done. There was the original version, there was the David Morales mix, there was the British Defects mix, and my version, my singing straight on the original track, and then when San came in, Papa San came in and did the version called You Got Me Talking. So basically there were 5 takes that came out as on a 12-inch. Video was awesome. It was done both here in Kingston and in Portland. By this time now, the song had taken off, and John Baker, who was at the time part of the led G Street Records before it became G-Jam Records. And we went in the studio to remix and did the video for the album.
What kind of traction internationally? What did it do for you outside of Jamaica?
Well, it just took my career to another level. And this is something we were, you know, you looked forward to be signed to a major label, and it finally happened. And coming from a track record of songs like Still in Love, like Old Friends Do, Going Down to Paradise, Winnie Mandela, Welcome Home Mr. Mandela, With You, so many other songs, you know. So the foundation was set for this album now to move to the next level. And of course, tours after tours, Sunsplash, I was constantly on tour with Sunsplash, you know, when going to Japan and South America, USA, Canada, just amazing, yeah.
And that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree the Show. I'm your host, Naldo Addy, signing out from St. Anne's Bay. Peace, love, take care.